In this video, I will show you how to create your Zendrop account. To do this, I'll leave a link to this page right here down in the description where you can create your account for free. So there are a few options. You can either enter your first and last name and email address and password, or you can choose to continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. For this example, I'll just continue with Google. So after you do that, you will have already created your Zendrop account. Now from here, you can then continue on building it out. So you can connect it to Shopify, or you can choose another platform and you can find products, import them, etc. You can also upgrade to one of their paid plans if you want, which may be worth it. For example, if you want to have automated fulfillment, which is one of the main use cases of Zendrop. So again, I'll leave a link to Zendrop's sign up page down in the description, and then you'll just have to follow the steps I showed you in this video and you will have created your Zendrop account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.